Joining Nick Jr. on the hunt for Blue's Clues.
We are gonna play Blue's Clues, cause it's really fun. Yeah.
A clue!
Where?
Track down the
Simple danger warning for Ottawa and Quebec. Many reports have come in that people are collapsing randomly. No one knows what's going on. But we advise you to stay tuned to what's going on.
Avertissement de danger civil pour Ottawa et Québec. De nombreux rapports indiquent que les gens s'effondrent au hasard. Nous ne savons pas ce qui se passe, mais nous vous conseillons de rester à l'écoute de ce qui se passe.
here.
Ball at 5.
I'm listening.
Emergency action notification for Ottawa and Quebec. Many reports came in that people are collapsing because of people looking at reflective items. We advise you stay away from reflective things at all times. Stay tuned to this weird situation.
Notification d'action d'urgence pour Ottawa et Québec. De nombreux rapports sont arrivés, les gens s'effondrent parce qu'ils regardent des éléments réfléchissants. Nous vous conseillons de rester loin des choses réfléchissantes. Restez à l'écoute de cette situation étrange.
A national emergency is in progress which will impact your safety. Stand by for a national emergency warning. A national emergency is in progress which will impact your safety. Stand by for a national emergency warning. Civil danger warning for Sydney. People are starting to collapse because of their reflection. We advise you stay away from televisions, electronic devices, ornaments, mirrors, and other reflective items. Stay tuned to more on this situation.
In the next episode of Meet the MP,
I'm going to report them.
it's a war between the traditional
Every day I go home, there's something shocking.
and the free-spirited.
Hey there! Are you here to join us?
Guest starring Daryl Young
That's it. It's payback time.
and Gu.
Oh, my lucky bamboo!
Meet the MP returns Tuesday, the 26th of February at 9:30 p.m. on 5. You can also watch other episodes of Meet the MP on Toggle.
Emergency action notification for Singapore City. Please do not look at any reflections at this time as people are collapsing from it. You can experience stuff like nosebleeds, barfing blood, loss of vision, loss of hearing, loss of speech, confusion, and even death. Many people have been killed right now. We recommend you stay away from stuff like televisions, ornaments, mirrors, and other reflective items.